got a little special treat for you on this time around. This is a repeat client, and he had his truck done a couple of years ago, and we done a maintenance on it. So we're going to take you over here and let you take a look at this as well. This is one beautiful platinum truck right here. Phil, the man right here, he just got through doing the maintenance on it. So we're going to let you walk around and see what the maintenance looks like a couple of years later.
I want to hold your body close to me. I want to take you where you've never been. Swear I won't break your heart and I won't let you down. Yeah, maybe we can dance the night away. You got me feeling like a hurricane. 'Cause nothing's stopping me. You're all that's on my mind. Think I've got fire for my face. 'Cause when you touch me, I must stand.
Yeah, buddy, we got it looking like a new car lot around here. I'm telling you what, guys. All right, ladies and gentlemen, y'all give us a holler. We'll come to your house. We take care of you just like this. There ain't no point in leaving it at the shop for 2 or 3 days. Nah. Once we get it done, you can drive it 4 hours later. No wash for 7 days. Don't get it wet for 24 hours. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Dan, the Ceramic Man with Mobile Ceramic Coatings. I've got Phil with Phil's Mobile Detail Service out here. Always does me a fantastic job. Y'all be safe out there, man. Good Lord be with you.